Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucketflow, and today we are going to learn about EFS. EFS stands for Elastic File System. So basically EFS is nothing but network file system in which you can attach to a multiple EC2 instance. Okay. As you can see an example here. We have USist1A, USist1B and USist1C. In different region we have EC2 instance, and we have attached EFS to different EC2 instance, and all EC2 instance can attach to this EFS, right? And they can access this file. The question is, can this region EC2 instance can write the EFS file, or this region? So we'll see in the upcoming videos what will be the answer for this. So the difference between EFS and EBS is, if I see here, this one is EBS, and in EBS what you can see, you can attach one EBS2 and one EC2 instance in one AZ. Okay, and if you want to attach that EBS to a different EC2 instance, what you need to do, first you need to create a snapshot. Okay, and then you can restore, and then you can attach to different EC2 instance. That's how EFS and EBS works. Okay, so the difference between EFS and EBS is the performance. Okay, you will get a different performance. In EBS you will get a little bit less performance because it's a network file, and in EFS it will be in your EC2 instance, like, so that uh, you can access quick. Okay, and that's the reason. So let's go to our console and see. So that is how you can create Amazon EFS. You can search here and then get. Okay, you need to give name, and the most important thing is the life cycle management. Okay, so we have two, I guess. Okay, so one is IA and the archive. Okay, so this means if any file it is not accessed for 30 days, it will move to the infrequent access. Okay, and if it is not accessed till 90 days, then it will move to archive. Okay, so you need to pay less than. That's the useful thing here. Okay, EFS. And if you go to the documentation of EFS, okay, we have benefits of EFS is a quick and easy create, elastic and scalable, pay as you go, secure, reliable. Okay, the use cases, these are the some use cases. Okay, so as of now we are not going to see a demo of EFS, but for sure if you comment, and we'll make a video on that complete demo of EFS. Okay, do let me know in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you're on LinkedIn, do follow me, and you can check out my portfolio as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.